tú siempre tenerlos todos. Y no solamente videos míos, sino videos de chochas y tetas de otras mujeres.
Let's talk price and why Talking Photos AI is ridiculously underpriced compared to the big players. Talking Photos AI pricing, $97 one-time payment, no monthly fee. You get both version 1 and 2.0. Was it a mistake? Maybe. But hey, it's a win for you. Voice cloning, not built in, but you can use 11 Labs. Around $20 a month for 2 hours of high-quality audio. Use our link for 50% off to get started. Let's compare the big boys platform. Talking Photos AI Lifetime. V1 plus V2.0, unlimited usage, insane value. HeyGen team plan, $80.90 a month per seat, adds up fast. Runway email unlimited plan, $76 a month per user. Kling AI Premier plan, $64 $99 monthly charge. DID Advanced Plan, $108 month, billed annually. Screenshot confirmed. HeyGen Creator Plan, 30th month. No lifetime option. Everyone else is taxing you monthly, sometimes hundreds per year. Talking Photos AI gives you everything, once for the price of lunch. And somehow, nobody is talking about it. Click the link. Try Talking Photos AI for yourself. See why we do not chase hype. We build systems that scale. Pay once. Own it for life. Build better content and never look back. If this video opened your eyes, imagine what else you are missing. Subscribe right now so you do not get left behind. Like this video if you are ready to stop watching and start building, and share it with someone who is wasting time on weak tools that do not deliver. This is the AI Profits Lab. We do not chase trends, we create digital assets. You are either in or watching from the outside. Let's go.